So now you've seen how to cut molding to length using Logan's Pro Saw. The next step is to sand the burrs off the molding and to refine your cuts. Logan has a special tool to make it easy and accurate. The Logan Picture Framing Sander, model F200-1. The sander has been designed to improve saw cut miters to perfect 45-degree angles. This tool ensures maximum contact of the frame corners during the joining process. Here's how the alignment bar operates. To remove burrs and fine-tune a 45-degree cut, rotate the alignment bar to line up the green dots as shown. To remove burrs and sand a 90-degree cut, line up the red dots. Before sanding your first piece of molding, you should check the sander for alignment and adjust if necessary. To do this, set the triangle flat against the disc and the alignment bar. Look for gaps in the bar between the triangle and sanding wheel. Adjust the bar using the alignment wrench until the gaps disappear. You're now ready to sand your molding. Begin by running the bottom edge of your miter or straight cut molding against the sanding wheel. This will remove any burrs from the bottom of the molding. To sand, place the molding against the alignment bar with the finished side up and against the sanding wheel. With one hand, firmly hold the molding against the alignment bar and disc. With the other hand, rotate the disc in the direction of the molding, which is downward towards the top of the molding. Spinning in the wrong direction could result in the splintering of the finished side of the molding. Rotate the disc 4 to 6 times. Adjust the pressure against the disc while rotating. Start with light pressure until the disc is spinning, then increase the pressure for easier sanding. Check the sanded surface of the molding to see if the surface is smooth. If not, continue sanding. It's vital that both sides of the molding are the same length in order to achieve a frame that is square and with seamless corners. To check this, lay 2 cut molding pieces on a flat surface so the miters are facing up. Align with your fingertips one end of the molding so they're even. Then check to see if the other ends line up. If not, sand the longer piece until it's even with the shorter piece. To check for 45-degree accuracy, hold the 2 sanded corners together upside down and check for 90 degrees using the triangle provided. If it's not square, adjust the sander using the triangle as shown earlier. After repeated use, the sanding disc will become filled with dust. To remove the dust, use a firm non-metallic brush or the cleaning block. Hold the block at a 45-degree angle and move down the disc while rotating. Use light pressure. Although the sandpaper may not look clean after cleaning, it will be. The dust sticks to the backing material, but not the raised abrasive grit. When the sandpaper eventually does wear out, simply change the disc paper. Remove the sanding disc using the disc wrench. Remove the worn sandpaper and clean the surface of the disc of any glue or debris using a razor blade or mineral spirits. Peel off the adhesive backing from the new disc and apply to the disc carefully. Press thoroughly to remove any bubbles. Then reattach the sanding wheel.